Explore the Nudges dashboard. Nudges are the in-cab voice giving you a warning before your vehicle triggers an alert. The Nudges dashboard shows how proactive driver feedback is helping reduce safety risks and prevent alerts. Fleet or driver filter. View nudge performance across the entire fleet or focus on a specific driver. Use the nudge type filter to filter by specific nudge categories to analyze targeted driver behavior improvements. ADAS is the forward lens and DMS is the in-cab. Adjust the time range to measure recent nudge effectiveness or long-term trends. See the total number of nudges issued and alerts avoided through proactive coaching. Track administrative time saved through automated coaching and driver feedback. Each nudge summary card highlights the effectiveness of a specific nudge type and driver response outcomes. Quickly identify increases or decreases in nudge usage and effectiveness. You've completed your tour of the Nudges dashboard. If you have any questions, feel free to consult our step-by-step guide.